Hi everyone, it's John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur. And if you're like me, you probably spend a little bit of time, I guess that's an understatement, on your cell phone. But you know, having this phone to your ear is not great for your health, and it's also not very comfortable to be holding a phone like this, holding, yes, and you can't do anything else because your hand's tied up, right? Does that ever happen to you? If it does, would you give me a thumbs up? Thanks so much. And why don't you comment below? When has that ever happened to you? Maybe an awkward situation where you couldn't do something else because you were chained to your cell phone because you were on a phone call. You're like, oh, is this person ever gonna finish? I'm sure that never happened to you. And why don't you tag a few of your friends, colleagues, and associates that would love to learn about this. So today we're gonna talk about the Technica ATH ANC700BT, as I had mentioned. And I like this headphone. The reason I like this headphone, a couple of reasons. So first of all, it's very, very comfortable. Before I put it on, I've already turned it on. There is one switch here, and then there's your charging port there. They do give you a mini charging cable. I wish they would give you a bigger one. I have a bigger one at home, but they do give you a basic one, and they give you a 1/8 to 1/8. So if you wanted to, you could actually connect this to your stereo, CD player, what have you, right? Very easy. So it's nice that they did give that to you. Really nice construction. What I like about it is you can just turn the headphones in, just like this, and they even give you a bag, and you can pop it in the bag. Really easy, nice to go. So how do you know which one is the left and which one is the right? Well, that's a very great question. So if you look, I'm not sure if you can see, there's a little L here on this side, and there's a little R here on this side. So we know this is our right ear. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead, again, I'm gonna pop this over my holiday hat here. And I gotta tell you, they are very comfortable. They did give you swipe operations, so you can swipe over to basically move song to song. You can tap to answer, tap to end a call. All very, very easy to use. But here's the thing that I like about this headphone that a lot of other headphones don't do. When I go to make a phone call, which I'm gonna do right now, and it's actually dialing, and I have to tell you, I actually can hear the person on the phone. It's a recording, but I don't hear everything amplified in this room. A lot of other headsets that I've tried, it sounds like I've got this super powerful microphone that picks up even little drops of pebbles and the finest particles in the room. So that's something that you have to be cognizant of when you're looking at a Bluetooth headset. It connected very easily. There was no software. All I did was go into my settings. I went to Bluetooth. I turned on the switch. Pairing was very easy. It just found it. I clicked on it, and we were off to the races. I mean, really simple. The nice thing about this particular device is that it's 25 hours of Bluetooth and 30 hours of Bluetooth use only. So 25 hours of Bluetooth with noise canceling, which is how you're going to mostly want to use it, and 30 hours if you just use the Bluetooth only. So music controls, you have the microphone for answering calls, again, that fold flat for easy carry. Just a really nice product. Now you're probably wondering, well, what does this product cost? The list on this product is just under 200 bucks. And you know what's also nice about this is they give you nice memory foam. It's not the cheap foam. So when it goes against your ear, it doesn't scratch, and it's actually comfortable. And I can hear whatever's going on. So if I go to, let's say, one of my programs, and let's say I want to hear something, I can hear exactly what's going on very, very easily. I can adjust my volume here, or I can adjust it here by my finger. I can move from track to track. Nice product. The other thing I will tell you is that the battery life on it is really good. A lot of times I'll go out taking a walk, and I typically charge this maybe once or twice a week. So you have, 25 hours. I'll say if I charged it maybe every 3 or 4 days. I've never been unhappy with it. The sound quality is very good. The microphone is good for a Bluetooth microphone that's on a headset. And again, just very easy product. You guys probably know, the product name, which is a very professional product, Technica. And so I was pleasantly surprised because I've had a lot of these and they've been terrible. So if I have to give this a rating, which I'm going to do right now, I'm actually going to give it a 9.89. And so why do I do that? Okay, I would have liked to see an app. There are some other headphones that have apps, but I have to say, the fact that it doesn't have an app doesn't make me unhappy, because I like the fact that I actually can make a phone call and not say, what? What are you saying? Hang on, there's so much interference. Can you hold on a minute? I can't hear you. So that's really, really important. Taking them on, taking them off is really easy, and you can really feel the difference between the two worlds from when you take them off to when you put them on. If you are looking for a great Bluetooth headset that you can use for your Android or your iPhone, and I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it works really great with that. It also works really good with the older phones. I've tested on that as well. Just a nice product, and it has an exclusive 40mm driver for high precision sound. That means that when you're hearing your favorite artists, they're actually extremely very clear. They don't sound muffled. And the best is when a call comes in, like a cell phone call, I actually can hear the person and not tell them that I'm like standing in a construction yard. Well, I know you enjoyed this, so why don't you go ahead, and comment about it. Tag your friends, colleagues, and associates. Share it out to everyone you know here on the channel. And why don't you go to YouTube and click on that subscribe button and then smash that bell notification icon so you're going to know about other reviews that I do. Hey folks, are you looking for me to review a product of yours? Just go to JMOR.com. Let me know what that product is. You're going to have to donate it to us and send it to us prepaid, and we'll actually do an unboxing and a review of your product. How cool is that? Now, below every one of my videos, you're going to see the key phrase, help keep our content free. You'll click on that link to PayPal and make the choice to buy my team a cup of coffee, a donut, a sandwich. We'll be so grateful for whatever you choose, and we'll invest that into new hardware, new technology, equipment, and even new facilities to give you the latest technology products and give you the truth about them. I'm John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur. And remember, I hope you have a very happy, healthy holiday, and if you haven't yet gotten these for Christmas or your holiday, why don't you go out to the store? I think it'd be a great late Christmas or Hanukkah or whatever holiday you celebrate present. Maybe you got things for the holiday that you didn't like, or maybe you got gift cards. Go out and get one of these. But I'll tell you something, when you go buy this, go shop around, because people are selling this from $199 to $299 to $3 something. Find a local store and price match it. You should never pay more than $189, $199. If you are, you're paying too much. I'm John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur. You've been watching the JMOR Reviews channel. I will see you real soon.